does all this wild salmon come from?
We get it mostly from Southeast Alaska,
Southeast
but
Alaska.
we also get it from the Oregon and Washington coast. We've gotten Columbia River Kings. I would say, yeah, 75% of it's from Alaska.
From Alaska. Well, I think we need to take a trip up to Alaska. What do you think? Huh?
Hi, Ruthie. I'm Tom. You ready to go fishing?
Yeah, I am.
Great.
Let's go. Well,
So today we're going to be catching sockeye salmon, chum salmon, humpback salmon,
oh, lots of different kinds.
king salmon,
Where's
or
that-
no salmon.
Or no salmon.
Those are always the options every time you go set your net.
Okay, and they call this gill netting.
This is gill netting.
Okay. Well, let's go gill netting.
We're going to start throwing this fine booty ball out.
Okay.
And this is so other people hopefully see where the end of your net is. You want to do the honors?
Oh, sure.
Chuck, yeah,
Just
be
chuck it right out this way. Okay, here we go. Well, we just finished setting our net, and I have a couple questions for Tom. So, Tom, what was the water coming over the side here? If you could just explain that to us.
Oh, I spray the net as it's going out because it's the ocean, so there's other things other than just sockeye and beautiful fish in here, and it creates a film on the net, which you want to keep clean because the idea of the whole net is that the fish don't see it.
Oh, they don't see the net, so then they
Right.
swim into it, not knowing that it's there.
Right. If they see
Oh,
the net,
okay.
the slime on it, they can see it.
And then they go away.
They go
Oh,
away.
okay.
They run away.
And then
So
how
we try to keep it clean.
if you could explain to us how that net is like weighted down. I mean, how it's weighted down. Is it have something on the bottom that keeps it
Yeah,
open?
there's a line on the very bottom that has lead in it.
Mm-hmm.
That holds the net down, and the corks hold it up.
Oh, okay.
And so it wants to just be a curtain.
So it makes like a wall. Do you get lots of holes in your net? I mean, does things come in there that create
Yeah, there are. And really what happens is you get less holes.
that? You get, oh.
Well, it starts with a whole bunch of little holes. So
Oh,
if
they
you get
have
one big hole, you got a whole lot of it.
Okay, well. Oh my God, it's bobbing. Maybe we have a fish. I thought I did see one bob. Did you guys see one bob?
Cast the hook there. See it bobbing?
Oh, I do.
So, so what do you do to help your dad on the boat? What's your job?
Well, I make him food, and I just help. I pick the net. I don't really help him set it. He can do that by himself. But
Okay.
yeah, I pick the net and I pitch
Pick
him.
the net. Why don't you explain to us what pick the
Well,
net
we
means?
tow the net in using the drum and the hydraulics, and take the fish out of it.
How do you take the fish out of the net? Because it's in there from its gills, right?
Yeah, you just pick. You try. It's kind of like a puzzle. You gotta pull the web away from it, and then just try to fit it through a hole. Sometimes you have to cut the net though. Or cut one of the holes to get it out if it's too big.
Oh.
And just put them on the deck, and then when we're all done, we put them in the holds with the ice in them.
Okay.
Yeah.
Gently,
Yeah.
as to not hurt the fish.
Yeah.
Do you ever drop them?
Well, of course
not.
No.
No.
Just lay
When
them
you
there
do drop
gently.
them, does your dad get mad at you?
No.
Because I dropped the fish one time when I went. I got in trouble. I know.
Oh, that humpback. Oh, Ruthie, you got a job anytime.
Okay, well, that's the end of our adventure. We've learned a lot about gill netting. Thanks, guys.
You
Yeah.
bet.
Thanks, Tom, Asia, Lexi. I had a great time.
We had a great time
Yeah,
having you.
thanks for coming.
Yeah, now we're going to go cook ourselves some wild seafood.
Ooh, you'll enjoy it.
There you go. Here we are with Tomi Marsh, the captain on the Savage. And here's the lovely fish that we caught on Tom's boat. Remember Tom? And Tomi, what are we going to do to this fish today?
Well, this is a coho, and we're going to barbecue it with pink peppercorns.
Oh, yum.
Yeah, so we have sea salt, and first we're going to sprinkle sea salt on it, and then we're going to mix the brown sugar, the red peppercorns, black peppercorns, and the olive oil together, and then work it into the fish.
Oh, yum. That sounds good.
Yes, and easy.
It does sound easy. I think I could even maybe manage that one. So,
Or you could use a rock to grind your peppercorns.
is that how you grounded your peppercorns with that
Yes.
rock right there?
No, we cheated and used the coffee grinder.
Did you use a coffee grinder? Oh, your coffee's gonna taste like peppercorn. Yay! Okay, well, go ahead. So this is so simple that anybody could do it, right?
Anyone can do this. You can take the olive oil and dump it into the pink peppercorns.
Okay.
Scoop a little brown sugar.
This much right here. Is that good?
A little bit more.
A little
There
more?
You go.
How's that?
Okay. Now just kind of mix it together because it's kind of all in the look there.
Okay.
Of the marinade.
Okay. Now, is that good?
That's beautiful.
Oh, good.
Okay. So now, just kind of massage that into the salmon. Just sort
Okay,
of pick
so just
stuff
take
up.
it and-
kind of just put it down there. There you
Okay.
go. Okay. That looks really good.
Oh, yeah, it does.
And then just kind of keep putting all of it. That looks really good.
Is that good?
Oh, that's perfect.
That was so easy. And I'm gonna impress my man.
And we usually just cook it skin side down. It's okay, the parsley's good for it too. And
Skin side down.
then we just close the lid.
Okay, well, that salmon's probably almost done, isn't it? Wow, that looks good. Is it almost done, or?
It is getting very close. As you can see, it's starting to cook through here.
Mm-hmm.
And because of the different thicknesses, the tail part's going to be done before this sort of fatter head portion. But you know, you want it to flake, and you can see how there's, you know, it's opaque here, but there's a little bit of translucency. So it still needs a couple minutes, but not much.
And that hasn't been long at all, has it?
Nope, it's been about 10 minutes.
Oh, wow.
So about another 1 or 2 minutes. And
Well,
remember too, fish keeps cooking well after you take it off. So even if it's almost done,
Oh, it keeps cooking because of the heat in it. It'll.
yes.
Oh, wow. Well, yum. I'm
You
getting
don't want
hungry.
you don't want
That
to
looks
overcook it
good.
because it'll get dried out.
Well, let's maybe get that fish off there, huh? Okay. Well, are you hungry?
Oh,
Because I'm
starving.
hungry.
Well,
Are
try
you
a piece.
hungry? Should I try a piece?
Try a
Okay,
bite.
let's try a piece. Ooh. Ooh, that tastes good.
Do you like that?
I like that.
I like the tail part.
Wish you were here to enjoy this with us. It's very good. You should try making it at home with some wild salmon. And I'd like to take you for an adventure on the southeast. You want to jump around a little bit? Oh. Okay. Let's go. Let's go. Okay. I can do that. I can do that, people. Roving reporter Ruthie here. Okay. By the time I make my third series, we will be professionals. Then George Clooney will ask me on a date. And then I'll find some dates for you guys too. Uh-oh. Have you ever wondered where your wild sea cucumbers come from and how they're caught? Got that out. I don't know where that came from. Okay. You're gonna be so proud of me. There you go. I'm a Southeast Alaska gill netter. Is that better for you?